stare down into the valley, filled with dry bones baking in the sun. Remains that used to be a mighty army. To him it seemed like their fighting days were done. But driven by a calling on his life, he spoke out words and the bones began to shake. He stared wide-eyed as the flesh began to form, and he prophesied to the wind, and the soldiers began to wake. And Yah sent his wind into the valley, the breath of life into their souls, and raise them again a mighty army. For soon this arisen warriors will battle again, for they have been filled with the spirit wind. Sent his wind into the valley, and breathed the breath of life into their souls, and raised them again a mighty army. For soon this arisen warriors will battle again, for they have been filled with the spirit wind. A pastor stands before his congregation, once a mighty army for the Lord, but now he stares into the lifeless eyes, believers leading carnal lives, and he wonders what they're fighting for. But driven by a calling on his life, he spoke a word like 100 times before. But this time he comes broken and weeping, with tears of a broken heart, and he cries out to Yah. Yah sent his wind into the valley, and breathed the breath of life into their souls, and he raised them again a mighty army. For soon this arisen warriors will battle again, for they have been filled with the spirit wind. Holy Spirit, breathe on me, breathe your life on me. Holy Spirit, breathe on me, and breathe your life in me. And Yah sent his wind into the valley, and breathe the breath of life